Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. I'm here in Enagic Toronto with my friend Bing, Enagic technician, and we have different types of machine here as you see. Most of them, 99.99% of them are Chinese, but probably sometimes they tell you we are from US, like Life Ionizer, like Tyrant Ionizer, but at the end of the day, all of them are Chinese with a very low quality. I have some questions, Bing. Um, I need to know what's the difference between the Enagic plates and other machines plates.
Well, so you can see there are two different kinds of plates from the machine. On my left hand, these plates are from Enagic's machine, and this one are from our competitor's machine. First, we can see that our plates have 7 levels, and it's thick, and the square is bigger than our competitors. And second, I think it's the material. For as we know, the material of Enagic's machine is titanium plated with platinum. This material is the best for the electrode. This guarantees that our machine has a higher performance and durability.
Amazing. Do you know what is the quality of the other machines plate? I hear there is sometimes they have a mesh plate and sometimes they have a 14K plates. In compare with 99.7% titanium plates, for sure the quality of water is different.
Yeah, for sure. To save some cost, they will use some walls material. I'm not sure what kind of this material they use, but I can see that there have been some trace of oxidant on these plates. So
They get rusted, I believe, right?
Yeah. So I don't think a machine equipped with this kind of plate can produce the Kangen water of the same quality as ours.
Right. And the other different, I saw none of them has a enhancer tank. It means none of the other models in the market produce the strong acidic and strong Kangen water for washing the fruits and vegetable and the sanitary water, right?
Yes, you are right. So you know a lot about the Kangen water machine. Actually, the strong acid water, this function is very useful. So as far as I know, many customers use this function every day. This is a unique function of our machine. So it's also very simple, easy for the customer to get the strong acid water. Not difficult to operate. Just pour some enhancer solution to the tank and install to the machine. That's all. So it's easy to get the strong acid water, to do some disinfection, to protect your family, and to get the strong alkaline water to wash the fruits and the vegetables, to have a healthy life.
Amazing. So I want to double check with you. Enagic machine is the only machine in the market. It produced a 2.5 and 11.5 pH, the one for sanitary and disinfecting and the one for washing the fruits and vegetable. And the Enagic machine is the only machine, guys, in the world. We have medical device approval from Japan. We have WQA. As you see, this logo here is a WQA Gold Seal, the top standard of water in the world from US. None of them has the approval. Also, Enagic is the only model in the market. We have ISO 13485. That ISO is only for medical devices. We are not buying a car. We are not buying a bike. We are buying something for our health, for our loved one health. So we have to pay attention and we have to get the best quality ever in the market. And Enagic is a pioneer of this technology since 1974. They are in US market since 2000 and they are in Canadian market since 2006. So over a decade they are producing these machines and you cannot even compare them with the other models in the market. So that's why I always tell all my customers, we don't have a competitor. They are not a competitor. They are making something else. Enagic is something totally different than the other models in the market. Am I right?
Yeah, exact, Saeed. So you know more than me. Oh, my friend. Yes, I'd like to say that choose Enagic, you never regret. For the health, it's very important. That's why, so we can't, or we it's not possible to save the money to choose the other kinds of equipment.
And I hear the other machines like Life Ionizer, like Tyrant Ionizer, tell the customers we have a lifetime warranty. And it's making me laugh because there is no lifetime warranty for something electrical. By the way, guys, we have 5 years warranty in our Kangen water machines. And after 5 years, if you would like, you can buy the extended warranty for $250 plus tax. But the interesting side, if you don't have warranty, I don't have a warranty for my machine, something happened for the machine after 15 years, it's very interesting for me. Even after 15 years, if I don't have a warranty and something happened, in that time I can buy a extended warranty and repair the machine at the same time, right?
Yes, for sure. So please don't worry about the after sales service. We provide the customer a whole package for this old machine. Even if your machine has been used for 15 years and you have some problem with the machine, we can also provide the customer a 3-year warranty extension at $350.
Means you only add $100 and you give the 3 years more warranty, also repair the machine at the same time.
Yeah.
So I believe it means lifetime warranty.
Yes, for sure. I think so.
Amazing. Thank you so much for your time. I know you are very busy. Thank you so much for all the information you provide to us. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye.